So when the cakes come out of the oven, after you've checked to see if they're done, which we're going to do in a moment, you need to give them a drink. The most important part of any Christmas cake making process is giving them a drink. So we've made 4 cakes this morning, and they're all roughly about the same size, except for this one that came out of the oven a little bit before because it was a bit smaller. So you take the crowns off, and you can see they're a beautiful rich dark colour, and they're looking very evenly cooked, which is great. And I know, because I tested these cakes about 20 minutes ago, that they're pretty close to perfect. And if you have a look, apart from where it went in the very damp piece of fruit there, the skewer, see how I'm placing the skewer in behind the fruit so I don't damage the cake in any way, she says, polishing that down. But you can see that the skewer is pretty dry. The only reason that's a little bit damp there is it's gone in behind the cherry. So I'm just going to test this final one. These cakes are quite big cakes, so they've been in the oven now for almost 3.5 hours. And yeah, I think they're ready. So here's my favourite bit. And that's the sizzling sound that you get when you, it's also the glugging sound. I quite like the glugging sound of alcohol being poured into a glass, but just listen to this. So your aim is to pour between 30 and 50 mils of alcohol on at this stage. You're going to pour alcohol on the cake again, or we will, when we're wrapping the cake tomorrow. But at this point, you just, while it's hot, want the alcohol and the flavour of the beautiful either Grand Marnier or Cointreau to permeate the cake. And that makes it extra delicious. And that's called giving the cake a drink, a really important part of the Christmas cake baking process.